Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how you can block Amazon in your browser. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll use a privacy-friendly website blocker browser extension. First, let's open the extension website and install it. The extension is available for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Firefox for Android. Once the extension is installed, let's pin it from the Extensions menu so we can access it easily later. Now, we want to block Amazon. As you can see, Amazon opens normally right now because we haven't configured our website blocker yet. Let's open the extension by clicking the Block Website button. Now we can create our first block list. First, enter a suitable name for the block list. Next, add the websites you want to block. In this example, we'll add Avrodh.com. You can also add multiple websites here, or create different block lists to organize websites more efficiently. One thing I really like about this extension is its privacy-focused design. Unlike many website blockers that request access to all websites in your browser, this extension only asks for permission to the specific websites you choose to block. That means better privacy and better control. Now, as you can see, Amazon.com is successfully blocked. This makes it much easier to stay focused and avoid distractions while browsing. Let's try to use a search engine to open Amazon.com. It is the first result. As you can see, Amazon.com is blocked even when accessed through the search engine. Perfect. I hope this video helped you learn how to block Amazon in your browser in a more privacy-friendly way. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your family or friends. Thanks for watching.